761, the people versus Amanda Jones, one count of operating while intoxicated. Appearance.
For the record, Your Honor, Coleman Potts on behalf of Ms. Jones, who appears by Zoom. Ms. Jones, please state your name for the record, ma'am.
Amanda Jones.
Okay, is it correct today, Ms. Jones, you're going to plead guilty to an amended charge of operating while visibly impaired?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Potts today about your case?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand, Ms. Jones, that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, do you want to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
Okay. Attorney Potts, for purposes of the plea, do you want me to establish a factual basis for the actual offense, or do you want me to do operating while visibly impaired?
You can do one for operating while you can do one for the actual offense and then just say it's reduced.
Okay. Because it's a little difficult with visibly impaired, that's why. Okay. Ms. Jones, I'd like to bring your attention to May 4th, 2020, around 11 p.m.
I'll address it.
at the location
Yeah, from
12096
hearing on the 27th. No.
in the city of Detroit. What type of vehicle were you operating on that day and time?
It was a Ford Focus.
Okay.
I believe it's 2012. I don't know the year.
Okay, and it was in the city of Detroit, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you operating that vehicle while intoxicated?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we're stipulating to the .16. Attorney Potts?
Yes.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Okay, so I will accept your guilty plea, Ms. Jones, and I will amend the charge to operating while visibly impaired, okay?
Okay.
Now, the way it works with this type of charge, I can't sentence you today. I have to have you referred for screening so that you can be interviewed by the probation department. You're not on probation at this time, but the probation department handles the screening. So after you're screened by the probation department, I'll get the report and I'll be able to sentence you. You can talk with the lawyer that'll be assigned that morning, or if you hire one on your own, you can do that as well. And discuss the report. If there are any discrepancies, you bring that up and we'll go over that, and then I will sentence you, okay?
Yes,
Do you have
ma'am.
any questions?
No.
Okay. So I have to give you the number to probation so you can call over so they can interview you.
Okay.
Let me find that number. Okay, it's 313-965-3414.
Okay.
And if for some reason that number you can't get through, my courtroom number is 313-965-2285.
Okay. You said 965-2285, correct?
Correct, and that's if you can't get through the probation or something's going on and you need some help, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. And as far as you're in a personal bond, you are not to drink any alcohol at this time through sentencing, and I have to give you a sentencing date. Your sentencing date will be October 20th at 8:30 a.m., okay?
Okay.
So you'll call probation in the meantime, you'll get screened, and then Zoom back in on October 20th. I'll have the report. There'll be a lawyer here. You guys can talk in the breakout room, and then we'll move forward with the sentencing. Okay?
All right. So, okay. Yep. Thank
You
you.
sure? You got a question?
I was gonna say, yeah, I think you already answered it though. As far as my paper license, that's my restricted license for till this at this time still, correct?
That is correct. Attorney Potts, do you have anything to add to that? I don't think there is anything to add to it.
No, Your Honor.
Okay, so yep, you have it right, Ms. Jones. So you are all set. You can go ahead and log off and have a good rest of your day.
Thank you, you too.
Ms. Ford?
Yes.
Okay, ready. I'm going to call your case now. P1072267, the people versus Tamisha Ford, one count of no insurance. Appearance?
For the record, Your Honor, Coleman possibly have Ms. Ford. Ms. Ford, please state your name for record, ma'am.
Alicia Ford.
Your name is Alicia Ford?
Yes. ELLECIA.
You have the wrong file. Thought I heard Alicia, but then I saw a file that said something different. 1 second.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Thank you. Sound like Alicia. Oh, yeah. A lot of Fords. All right. So the good thing is Attorney Potts is the same exact count, the same offer.
Yeah, I saw that.
Okay.
Just have the wrong name. Okay. So Ms. Ford,
Yes.
Alicia Janae Ford, correct?
Alicia Janae Ford, yes.
Okay, you're going to take that offer to plead guilty to an amended charge of improper plates?
Yes.
Okay, you confirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay. Did you have an opportunity to speak to your attorney today about your rights and about your case?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand, Ms. Ford, that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
Okay, I'd like to bring your attention to April 20th, 2020, around 5:52 p.m. in the area of Jefferson and Gray in the city of Detroit. Were you operating a 2011 Lincoln vehicle without insurance?
Yes.
Okay, satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
I will make the amendment to a 0-point offense of improper plates, and I'm going to waive your fines and costs, Ms. Ford, so I'm going to save you about $290 today, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay, did you post the bond?
No.
Okay, so you're all set. You have a good day.
Thank you. You too.
You're welcome. Thanks. All right, that was a heavy one today.
Yep. We're all set.
Okay. I like the way you roll. Come back anytime.
Right. All right. Thanks. Have a good one.
You too.